Hey there, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to earn $700 per day using Pictory AI, even if you're a complete beginner, and without lifting a finger because this software does all the heavy lifting for you. I'll guide you through every step, from the beginning to turning this into a profitable work-from-home business. As always, you'll find all the resources mentioned in the description below, so let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is Pictory AI? Pictory AI is a fantastic tool that helps you create captivating and shareable videos from your longer content like blog posts, articles, or podcasts. It utilizes advanced AI algorithms to analyze your content, extract the key points, and then automatically generates a video with animated text, background music, and other visuals to effectively convey your message in a concise and engaging manner. The beauty of Pictory AI lies in its ability to repurpose your existing content into a format that's perfect for consumption and sharing on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short-form videos have become incredibly popular for engaging with audiences and growing your brand, and Pictory AI allows you to tap into this trend, increasing your reach and engagement effortlessly. Plus, you can monetize these videos through ads, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. But here's the best part: Pictory AI is incredibly user-friendly, even for those without any video editing experience. All you need to do is upload your content, and the tool handles the rest. You can customize your video by selecting from various styles and music options, or simply let the AI choose the best option for you. And if you're a bit more experienced, you can use Pictory AI to edit your videos from scratch, creating something truly unique. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Pictory AI is a versatile tool that allows you to create all sorts of video content, from tutorials and explainer videos to product demos and social media ads. Now, let's put this amazing tool into action and start making some money. Step 1. Sign up for Pictory AI. It's a breeze. Just head over to the Pictory AI website, click on the Sign Up button, enter your email address, and create a password. Once confirmed, you'll be taken to the Pictory AI dashboard, where you can start creating your short-form content right away. But how do you make money from these short-form videos? Well, it's quite simple. You can upload your videos to YouTube and monetize them with ads, affiliate links, and other strategies. Ads are a straightforward way to earn revenue, with creators typically earning around 1 to 3 cents per view. Once you meet certain requirements, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your videos. Another strategy is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Sponsorships and partnerships are also lucrative options, where brands pay you to create content promoting their products or services. Now, on to step 2. Generating a script for your short-form content. You can use tools like ChatGPT to generate a script based on your topic or keyword. Once you have your script, simply use Pictory AI to turn it into a visually engaging video. Alternatively, you can edit existing content to make it suitable for short-form videos. And that's it. Start experimenting with different monetization strategies, create engaging content, and watch the money roll in, all with the help of Pictory AI. Remember, everything we discussed in this tutorial is linked in the description below. If you want to see more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.